day viewers, today I will be reciting to you the 3 sets of 10 commandments. First, the commandments of safety driving as a driver. I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. 2. I will not pass without care on curbs, nor hills, nor the view unseen by my eyes. 3. I will not violate speed laws, nor exceed speed limit. 4. I do not disobey highway signs and traffic signals. 5. I do not make twists without signaling my intention. 6. I do not accelerate my speed at school, playground, hospital, and other dangerous zones. 7. I will not be careless when crossing at intersection. 8. I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. 9. I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. 10. I will be courteous and respectful of the rights of every driver and pedestrian. The second set of 10 commandments of road safety. 1. Thou shalt not gaze at thy phone. 2. Thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. 3. Thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. 4. Thou shalt not take any chances. 5. Thou shalt not buckle up thy kids. 6. Thou shalt not drive on the bright. 7. Thou shalt not drive with one light or with faulty lights. 8. Thou shalt not adhere to the speed limit. 9. They shall not keep thy distance. 10. They shall practice patience. The third set of 10 commandments, safety clearance. 1. Keep right. 2. Observe road courtesy. 3. Prohibited parking. 4. If in doubt, do not overtake. 5. The bus stop rule, lining up on the bus stop zone. 6. Rule to prevent or untangle traffic jams. 7. Observe traffic management measures. 8. The philosophy of Pinoy driver, first come, first serve vehicle. 9. The pedestrian. 10. Remember the international safety driving reminders. So that's all the 3 sets of 10 commandments. Thank you for watching. Bye!